Hi, in front of me I have FITBIT Versa 2, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the always-on display on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our device. To do it, press the side button. Now let's swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notifications, and then swipe down from the top of the screen again, like this. This little panel will appear. Tap on the icon on the right to open the quick settings, this one. And here we have this icon next to the brightness icon. Tap on it, then tap got it. And as you can see, the always on display is enabled now. And to disable it, simply come back to this menu again and tap on the icon to disable it. And that's how you enable the always on display on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.